Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back. This is Choyong Radio, and on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change or replace your battery in the A8W. So first things first, what we need to know is that the A8W device uses a 103450 polymer battery with a pH 2.0 terminal. Now you can buy this official replacement battery directly from Choyong's official website. That's choyongradio.com. Now without further ado, let me show you step by step on how to replace your battery in the A8W. So to begin with, you need to have a couple of things. First things first, you need to have your screwdriver. We're going to unscrew, and also you're going to have your tweezers, and I'm going to show you how to use this on how to open this board. And as well, you might have to have a certain knife so that you can simply open this board. So before everything else, we have to unscrew this nut. We're going to unscrew from the back, we're going to open this board, and we're going to unscrew again from inside. After unscrewing the back of the device, we're going to use our tweezers to open this board in the front, and we're going to use our knife as our support opener. Then now we can use our knife to open wide like this. So basically, we're going to have something like this. This is the front board. We already unscrewed the back, and now we're going to unscrew these 4 spots here. Yes, so now that we have unscrewed these 4 spots, we can now freely open the back. So as you see, at first we unscrewed this to release this part. Now for us to release this other part, we had to unscrew the front board. So as you can see, this is the 103450 polymer battery with a pH 2.0 terminal. Now we're going to replace this with the new battery. So what we're going to do here, after unscrewing everything and opening the device, we can see these wires here. All we have to do is, before we unplug this, we have to remove this battery here. After we have our battery like this, we just go ahead and unplug it from here. So yes, now we're going to replace this one with another battery, and we're going to install everything back. Yes, so we're going to replace it with this battery. We're just going to do the procedures the same way, but in reverse. This part here, we're going to plug it right here. After plugging it here, we're going to install the battery back. Now, after all this, again, we're going to take our back side and put it back. So as you can see, this is how the radio is looking. So that means this is how the back should be and not the other way around. And before we screw it back here, we're going to screw first the 4 sides in the front. After screwing back the front side, we're going to put our front board back. Again, this is how it should be. So we're going to replace this back well and tight. And then now we're going to finish up screwing these 2 spots from the back. Yes, just like that, now we have finally managed to replace our battery in the A8W. That's the 103450 polymer battery with a pH 2.0 terminal. And you can find this official replacement in our official Choyong website. That's choyongradio.com. Until next time, bye-bye.